Yes. In our last class when we met, we did the poem If I Were an Apple. Yes. Once we'll read the poem, I'll read it loudly, you keep your finger, then we'll come to the fill in the blanks. Okay. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I'd drop down on a nice boy like me. I would not stay there, giving nobody joy. I'd fall down at once and say, eat me, my boy. I'd say, eat me, my boy. Yes. Yes. Who is telling if I were an apple? ये बात कौन बोल रहा है? If I were an apple, who is telling? Who is telling?
Boy.
Yes,
Boy.
the boy is telling.
Boy.
Yes, the boy is telling. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. Yes, I would not stay there, giving nobody joy. I'd fall down at once and say, eat me, my boy. Okay? Yashoda madam has completed the written work of the question and answers. So we'll be doing oral. Once again, I'll revise it. Okay? We'll recapitulate it. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? You'll put your hand up. I will ask you. Where is the apple? Dikshit, you tell. Stand up. Stand up, Dikshit. Where is the apple? Tell me, Dikshit. Tell beta. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Huh?
मैं बोलूं?
No, no, beta. Tell. Anybody will tell, madam, मैं बोलूं, मैं करूं. I will not answer their question. Madam, can I tell? ये तो इंग्लिश में बोलने आता है आपको? Yes? Which class is this? Yes, Kirti. Unmute and answer.
Under the tree.
Yes, where is the apple? The apple is on the tree. The apple is on the tree. Yes, mute your device immediately. Yes, once again. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Apple is on the tree. Apple is on the tree. Now, where is the boy? Where is the boy? Where is the boy, Karthik?
Under the tree.
Yes, the boy is under the tree. What happened? Give here. Yes. Where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. How can the boy get the apple? How can the boy get the apple? जब apple tree के ऊपर है, is on the tree, how can you get the apple? Apple आपको कैसे मिलेगा? Yes? How can you get the apple? You can get the apple by climbing on the tree. Yes, you can get the apple by climbing on the tree. पेड़ पे चढ़ के आप उसको pluck करोगे. या वो ही गिरेगा तब आप वेट करके खाओगे. You can do two things. Yes, when you want to eat an apple which is on the tree, tree के ऊपर है, what you will do? The first thing you can do is you can climb on the tree or throw some stones and make that come down or pull it with a stick. Yes, that you can do one. Yes, or you can wait till the apple falls down. Okay. Now the next question. Do you like apples? How many of you like apple? Put your hands up. Yes, apple is a very healthy fruit. You all must eat apples. Apples are very good for your health. Yes? Now the next question. Have you ever climbed a tree? Have you ever climbed a tree? Have you ever climbed a tree? आप पेड़ पे चढ़े हो? कितने बच्चे चढ़े हैं पेड़ पे? How many of you have climbed on the tree? सिर्फ वन बच्चा. मैं वो बच्चे की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं ये बच्चे की बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम आस्किंग यू. आपने चढ़ा पेड़ पे? आप कभी चढ़े कोई पेड़ पे? नहीं. ओके. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट यू. मैं आपके बारे में पूछ रही हूँ. मैं बुक वाले बच्चे के बारे में नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट you. Yes. How many of you climbed on the tree? Thumbs up. How many of you have not climbed? Thumbs down. Yes. Many of you have not climbed. Yes. This answer you can answer by yourself, beta. Now fill in the blanks. If I were a bird, I would fly or cry. If I were a bird, I would fly or cry. What you all will do? What the bird does?
Fly.
Fly. Action. Action. Don't unmute your device unless I tell you. Fly or cry. Fly or cry. If I were a bird, I would. What Megan will do if Megan is a bird? Fly or cry? Fly. Very good. Come on, all of you write fly. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. Yes. If I were a bee, I would buzz or chirp. Bird chirp. Bird जो आवाज करते हैं ना बेटा, उसको हम chirp बोलते हैं. और bees जो आवाज करती है, हम उसको buzz बोलते हैं. Mute your device. Nobody will unmute. जो bees आवाज करते हैं, we call it buzz. Bees buzz. Bees buzz. Bird chirp. Bird chirp. Vaishnavi, sit properly, beta. Bird chirp. Bird chirp. So, if I were a bee, I would buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Come on, write all of you. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Sanvi, did you write? Megan, did you write? Read there. If I were a bee, I would buzz. B-U-Z-Z. B-U-Z-Z. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Yes. Let us read and write. S-T-U-V. This you can do for your homework. This you can do for your homework. What happened, Pearl? Pahel, what happened? बोलो बेटा पहल.
मैम मेरा
क्या?
मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
पहल आई कैनॉट अंडरस्टैंड बेटा. क्या बोल रही हो? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा है अच्छे से.
मैंने फ्लाई करा है. मैं
फर्स्ट वाले में फ्लाई लिखना है. F-L-Y, fly. Okay. Now turn your books to the next page. Page number 66. Say loud. Say loud. Pratana, turn friend. Now keep your finger where I am reading. I am reading these words. Yes. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. People. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. People माने बहुत सारे लोग. R-I-P-P-L-E, ripple. Ripple. सब में क्या कॉमन है? सब में कॉमन क्या है? Nobody will unmute your device. Only listen. Only listen. A-P-P-L-E, apple. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. R-I-P-P-L-E, ripple. अब इन सब में which चीज is the same? What is same? कौन सा letter, कौन से word same है? See, A-P-P-L-E, apple. P-P-L-E, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. P-L-E, R-I-P-P-L-E, ripple. P-L-E. तीनों में P-L-E, P-L-E, P-L-E. This is common. तीनों में आ रहा है. So what are these? Which words are these? They are.
E-L-E.
They are. What, Vaishnavi?
Rhyming.
Rhyming. They are rhyming. All these words are rhyming. All these words are rhyming. Megan, look at the blackboard and listen what I'm telling. Yes. P-L-E, P-L-E, P-L-E. These three things are coming in all three words. So these are rhyming words. बेटा रूहानी का लिखना कुछ भी नहीं है. मैं बस समझा रही हूँ. लिखना कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा. Yes. Now let us read the next set of words. Drew. D-R-E-W. Drew. 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 C-R-E-W. Drew. Then threw. T-H-R-E-W. Throw, through. Grow, grew. Draw, drew. Yes. Now, what is the same letters repeating in all the three words? वापस C, R, E, W. D, R, E, W. D, R, E, W. R, E, W. G, R, E, W. R, E, W. T, H, R, E, W. So, in all the three words, R-E-W, R-E-W, R-E-W is coming. Yes? So these are called rhyming words. These are called rhyming words. Which words these are called? Rhyming words. Now if madam give you write the rhyming word for drew. So what will you write? Write the rhyming word for drew.
Brew.
Through, through. Yes, very good, very good. Now, madam will give you apple and tell you write the rhyming word for apple. So, what will you write? Apple, people, ripple. Yes, you can write all the words. Now, the next thing, D-E-W. D-E-W, dew. F-E-W, few. M-E-W, mew. Cat, cat, mew. Cat, mew. Now just now we read no bird, chirp, bees, buzz, but cat, mew. Cat, mew. Yes? Now see the common word. D-E-W, E-W. F-E-W, E-W. M-E-W, E-W. So these are rhyming words. These are rhyming words. Which words are this? Rhyming words. Rhyming word. All of you open your mouth and tell. Rhyming word. Rhyming words. Yes. Now let us see the next set of words. Let us see the next set of words. BALL, ball. This we have done already. Rhyming word. CALL, call. FALL, fall. So which is the common word? Common letters in all the three which are repeating. B, ALL, all. C, ALL, all. F, ALL, all. Yes, ALL, all is repeating in every word. So if I give you ball and tell you to write the rhyming word for ball, what will you write? Rhyming word for ball. Rhyming word for ball. BLL, ball.
Fall.
I didn't ask you, mute your device. FALL, fall. CALL, call. HALL, hall. Very good. Yes, these are the rhyming words. Now let us come to your crosswords. Can you see crosswords down? Yes, we'll do crosswords now. Chalo baith jao. Pencil, remove your pencil from your bag and sit and learn. Prarthana, what I'm telling you. First, take your pencil in your hand now. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है बेटा, आपके बुक पे बना हुआ रेडी है. Mm, mm, yes. What happened? What happened? ये नहीं दिख रहा है? Sit down, Prarthana. Don't disturb the class. Yes. This is given in your notes, in your readers. Yes or no? All of you can see the page. It is given. Yes. This, whenever you get such puzzles, these are called crossword puzzles. What are these called? Crossword puzzles. Doing these puzzles, beta, you improve your knowledge. Yes, these are crossword puzzles. These are very good. How many you do? It is very good. You can do, and you must do. Yes, this improves your knowledge. You learn new words. You find it interesting because it is a game. You have to guess. Yes. Now the first one. Can you see number one here? You can see the fruit here, number one, and you can see number one on the first box here. Can you see number one inside the small box? Yes, that means here we have to write the picture which is on number one. Now, what is the first picture here? They have given you hint also. Yes, what is the picture? The first picture is nobody.
Orange.
Nobody will unmute the device. Yes, which fruit this is Pastor? Huh? This one. Orange. Can you see orange is on which number then? One number, yes. In this box, can you see number one where it is? Here, here. Can you see? Yes. That means here we have to write the first one. So first one is orange. On number one we have orange. O-R. They have given two spaces here. O-R. A-N. Write with me. A-N. In the two boxes you write A-N. G-E is already there. G-E is already there. O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Yes? Right there. Sit and write. लिखो उधर. See what did I write? O-R-A-N-G-E. Come on, write. O-R तो लिखा हुआ है. आपको क्या लिखना है? A and N. Come on, write. Yes. Now, on number two, which fruit we have, Dikshit? On number two, which fruit we have? Grapes. Now you see where is the small two. छोटा टू कहाँ पे लिखा है? Where it is written? Small two, where it is written? Did you find it, Anwar? You found it? Yes, very good.
G.
Where it is? On G. Very good, Anwar. Small two. Can you see, Megan, where is small two written? Small two. Which letter? On which letter?
G.
G. That means that is the second letter. And here, which fruit is given on number two? Here, which fruit is given on number two? White
Grapes.
grape. So now we have to write grape spelling. Come on. G R. G is there. R you wrote. A P E S. Grape. Did you write? G R A P S. Grape. Now search where is number three. Now search where is number three. Small three. Where it is? It is on a empty box. It is on a empty box. Yes? Did you find? I found it. Tell me. I found it. Yes, very good. You found it. Yes, you found it. Yes, it is on the this one. And which picture is given? Number three, which fruit picture is given? Pahel. Pahel will tell me. Pahel, which fruit picture is given on number three, beta? देखो नंबर थ्री पे कौन सा फ्रूट दे रखा है बुक में. नंबर थ्री पे कौन सा फ्रूट बनाया गया? देखो नंबर थ्री.
Mango.
Mango. Mango starts with letter A for mango, B for mango, what for mango? M for mango. Come on. Here number three, let us write M. A-N is already given. Yes? Yes, Pastor? A-N is already given. M-A-N. G-O. Mango. M-A-N. Mango. 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 Are you writing? Very good. Very good. Yes. Now let us come to number 4. Right here. Grape you did not write. Mango you did not write. Yes. Number 4 is banana. Yes. Banana. Banana. Did you find the small 4? Small 4 did you find? Yes. From there let us start writing banana. Yes. Small 4 did you find, Kostur? Ruhanika, did you find with a small square? Small 4? Yes. Where is small 4? Show me. Chota 4. Yes. Mango. Do you find it? Yes. B. B for banana, no? B. A. B. A. Here, again you have to write N. B. A. N. A. N. A. Banana. B. A. N. A. N. A. Banana. Yes? Now can you find number 5? Small 5. See where is small 5? It is near 4. Banana ke next letter pe. From where we started banana, the next letter, can you see small 5? How many of you found small 5? The little one comes up. Yes. From there you start. From there you start writing. What is the fruit given on number 5? Apple. Good. Come on. Start following with me. Write with me. Come on. Yes. A P C L E. Apple. 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 Now let us see the 6th letter. 6th one is where you can find the little 6. Yes, you can find it here. Pear. Yes, beta. B आएगा. Banana ना. Pear. P E A R. Pear. Because on the 6th fruit is pear here. Can you see? Come on, write. See what I have written? See the blackboard? When you see the blackboard, you can write. Come on, see the blackboard and write. See the blackboard, everything is given on the blackboard. Yes, all of you, did you complete it? Yes. This same exercise, today's homework, you will do the same exercise in your notebooks also. Take mama's help, ask mama to draw this crossword and give it to you, and you'll do this even for your homework. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Yes, children, that's it for today. Bye. After this, you'll have your Hindi class.
Bye.